Accidents don't just affect the injured person, they can impact their whole family. In Florida, there's something called loss of consortium that helps families cope with this. Loss of consortium means losing emotional support, companionship, and help around the house when a loved one gets seriously hurt or dies. It recognizes the emotional and practical effects that an accident has on the family. In Florida, you can file this claim when the injuries are severe, like permanent disabilities or if someone dies. It lets family members get compensation for both emotional and financial losses they experience. Usually, this claim is included with the personal injury case. For example, if someone is hurt and files for compensation, their spouse can also seek damages for losing companionship and support. To make this kind of claim in Florida, you need to prove a few important things. First, it's necessary to show that your loved one was seriously injured or lost their life as a result of the accident. Without establishing the severity of the injury or death, the claim cannot move forward. Next, you must demonstrate that you have a legal relationship with the person involved. This typically means proving that you're the spouse, parent, or child. You'll also need to explain the losses you've personally experienced, whether it's the emotional support that's now missing or the help they once provided around the house. Finally, it's important to prove that these losses were directly caused by the accident. Establishing a clear connection between the event and how your life has changed is key to making a successful claim. It can be hard to figure out the amount of money for loss of consortium. Courts look at things like how the family lived, who took care of whom, and the strength of the relationship. For example, if a husband is paralyzed in a motorcycle accident, his wife might seek compensation for losing his companionship and household help. Because it's difficult to put a price on relationships and emotional losses, these cases can be complicated. That's why it's important to talk to an attorney. They can help you understand if you qualify, gather the evidence, and take legal action or negotiate a settlement with the responsible person or their insurance company. Loss of consortium claims are here to help families cope with the emotional and practical difficulties that come after a loved one is seriously injured or killed in an accident. If this has happened to your family, don't wait. Contact Leo Valdes for a free consultation today.